right, good evening, children.
Good evening, teacher.
Let's start with dictation. Dictation. Hello. Okay. Lower hand, let's mark. Okay, children, can you hear me? It's heavy rain here. Let's check marks. Hasindu, how many marks?
11 mark.
Okay, good. Ravisha,
11 teacher.
okay. Dinali,
11 teacher.
okay. Umesha, Pratashi, Satini,
11 teacher.
okay. Havidi, Havidi was disconnected. Tamidu, Tilan,
11
okay.
teacher.
Okay. Niketa,
10 teacher.
okay. Why today everyone 11 marks? Udari,
11 teacher.
okay. Sulaksha,
12 teacher.
very good. Hansika, 10, okay. Right. Let's go to the paper first. 2016 Gampaha paper. It's very heavy rain here. I don't know you can hear me or not. Really heavy rain. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with the most suitable words from the list. 1 is done for you. Endemic, ancient, scenery, historical, documentary, watch. We know all the meanings of the words, right? What are you watching, Kisha? It's a documentary film about Sri Lanka. Great. Let's watch it. Let's watch it. Did you see the beautiful they have captured? Did you see the beautiful scenery? Scenery. Yes, it's a historical place. A historical place. I wish I could go back to the time of our ancient kingdoms. Look at those endemic animals. Endemic animals and trees of the country. What's it? It's Maharatmal tree in full bloom. Okay, question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the necessary information. 1 has been done for you. There is a small problem in the answer. Topic of the speech is mixed up with the date of the event, right? So you can write the topic for answer 2. It's okay. Notice, a special meeting of the Environment Society will be held on 30th July 2016 . Okay, Kavidi, 11. I thought you had the signal problem because today heavy rain. 11 marks. Good. Right. Let's go back to the lesson. Paper. Held on 30th July 2016 at 12:30 p.m. in the school main hall. The headquarters inspector of the Gampaha police will deliver a speech on vandalism at the meeting. Topic of the speech, vandalism. Vandalism. This one you can write in the second blank. Right? You can write it in the second blank. Date of the event, 30th July. Don't worry about that. Time, 12:30 p.m. 12:30 p.m. Venue, main hall or school main hall. In the school main hall. Main hall. The guest speaker, the headquarters inspector of the Gampaha police. Of the Gampaha police. Organizer, Environment Society. Number 3. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. You may use one word more than once. It is difficult. You may use one word more than once. So you have to check your grammar carefully. Is, are, was, were, be words. Peter is a tiny butterfly. His parents are. His parents are Ron and Kate. Peter has two small wings. He was born 2 days ago. He was born 2 days ago. His parents were happy. His parents were happy to see him come out of his ugly cocoon. It happened 2 days before, right? So we go to the past tense. Peter and his parents come to Marsha's garden every day. It is Marsha's garden. It is full of beautiful flowers. In the evening, Marsha sits on a bench in her garden with her mother. One day, Marsha tried to catch Peter with a small net. Peter's parents were very sad. It's about 1 day. එක දවසක්, right? So parents were very sad. Marsha's mother took the net from her and said, "Love, kindness, and freedom are some of the best things in the world." Complete the blanks using the information about the English Day celebrations. The first one is done for you. Date 12 July. Time. They are easy questions, right? You can answer simply. Time is 8:30 a.m. Venue, school main hall. Participants, grade 6-11 students. Teacher in charge, Mrs. S.K. Jayalath. Mrs. S.K. Jayalath, English teacher. Name of the chief guest, Mr. S.L. Jayatilaka. Mr. S.L. Jayatilaka, zonal director, කලාප අධ්‍යක්ෂකතුමා. Number of dramas, number 2. Name of the primary drama, The Woodman's Axe. The Woodman's Axe. Number of items, 15. 15. See here you have 2 numbers. How about if you write 15 here and 2 there? Drama 15යි. හැබැයි ඔක්කොම item 2යි. Can't be, right? It cannot be happen. There are dramas, songs, recitation, group dance, lot of items. So the item number must be higher. Item gana වැඩි වෙන්න ඕන, right? That is general knowledge. It's not English. So here 2 and there 15. ඔය දෙක මාරු වෙන්න බෑ. Special items plural, recitation and speeches. Kavi gayana. And speeches. Five marks. Question number 5. Match Naushad's question with Sagari's answers. Write the correct letter in the space provided. The first one has been done for you. How was the trip, Sagari? It was fine, Naushad. This is example. Did you visit the moon plains as planned? Did you? So it's a tag question. Yes. Yes, it was a fantastic view. That one, wait. Correct. Gregory Lake, next one. Yes, it was a fantastic view. Where else did you go? We visited Galway's land forest and an ancient church. What did you see in those places? We saw giant squirrels and a pipe organ in the church. Did you go to the Gregory Lake? Yes, we did. I wish I could come with you. Don't worry, you can come again. The two topics are very nice. Let's protect public property, users of water. You can write 2 lines, examples for public property. Then you can write 2 lines, how the people damage public property. Then another 2 lines you can write what we can do. Users of water, there are many. You can start the first sentence, water is our lifeblood. Water is our lifeblood. Jeevana Ruddhiraya, right? Okay. Test 7. Leaf cutter ant. Read the following text and answer the questions given below. Leaf cutter ant. The leaf cutter ant is one of the most widespread pululva patirunu widespread insects in the Amazon rainforest. These ants are one of the primary consumers of vegetation in the Amazon. Primary consumer, pratamika paribhojakayo, right? What is the meaning? Ahara dama food chain wala prathamika kattiya, right? Primary consumers. Leaf cutter ants live in large colonies, janapada, sometimes reaching 3 million ants, right? That's why api hitanawa, I'm little going out of අපි හිතනවා මනුෂ්‍යාත්මයක් ලබා ගන්න එක මහ දෙයක්ද කියලා බුදුහාමුදුරුවෝ කියනවා අර කවුද කනකොකා වියසිදුරෙන් බලනවා වගේ. දැන් අපි මේ කතාව පිළිගන්නවද? එහෙනම් ඔය බිලියන ගාණක් ලෝකේ ජනගහනයේ ඉන්නේ මනුෂ්‍යාත්මය ලබා ගන්න අමාරුයි නම් එහෙම එකක් වෙනවද කියලා අපිට හිතෙනවා. but you can see 3 million ants. Eka colony ekaka ants la million 3ක්. Eka colony eka ජනපදයක. දැන් Amazon rainforest එකේ එක ජනපදයේද තියෙන්නේ ants ලගේ. No, right? Lot of can be. That's why we can say that we can think that Buddha's words are truth, right? It is correct. It is very hard to get a human life, right? අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් හිතන්නේ මිනිස්සු ඕන තරම් ඉන්නේ ඔය කියන තරම් අමාරුද මනුෂ්‍යාත්මයක් ලබා ගන්න කියලා. But see how many animals are there in the world, right? 100,000 times than our population. Okay, go to the lesson again. 3 million ants. They build gigantic, they build gigantic hills for their homes. These homes can often be 30 feet across and 20 feet deep. අඩි 20ක් යට ගැඹුරට. පළවල් නෙමෙයි ඒගොල්ලෝ ගුල් හාරගෙන යන්නේ, right? සිහින් සිදුරු. 30 feet deep. They have multiple entrances, multiple ගොඩක් බහු. They have multiple entrances spread throughout hundreds of yards. යාර 100 ගාණක්. Right. The diet of this ant is usually surprising. The ants do not actually feast on leaves. Feast එකක් කියන්නේ භෝජන සංග්‍රහයක්. දැන් මේගොල්ලෝ leaf කටලා කොළ කපන ants ලා උනාට කොළ නෙමෙයි කන්නේ. Actually feast. They do not actually feast on leaves. Feast කියන්නේ භෝජන සංග්‍රහය, right? භුක්ති විඳින ආහාර. But on fungi. Fungi දිලීරව. දිලීරව තමයි ඒගොල්ලෝ ආහාරයට ගන්නේ. The fungus is ground when the ants bring the leaves, they cut inside their colony. මේගොල්ලෝ ගෙනහිල්ලා මේ කොළ ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ ගෙදර තියා ගන්නවා ඊට පස්සේ ඒවා fungus හැදෙනවා, right? පොළව යට it's dark and cold, no? So the fungus grow, then they eat fungus. කෙලින්ම කොළ නෙමෙයි ඒගොල්ලෝ කනවා කියන්නේ. I remember මේ question paper එක මුලින්ම මම කරන්න ගත්ත වෙලාවේ මම මේගොල්ලන්ගේ වීඩියෝ එකක් බැලුවා ගිහිල්ලා. It was really interesting. They are very busy type, right? Ants, the leaf cutter ants, if you see a video, they are really busy one, very hard working. Actually, it's really amazing, right? They very busy, very hard working, not lazy. You know, ants are a model for us, right? අපිට ආදර්ශයක් ඒගොල්ලෝ. Maybe you all can watch leaf cutter ant කියලා video එකක් බලන්න. හරිම busy, හරිම active, right? Very energetic. උද්‍යෝගවත් කට්ටිය. Underline the correct answer. The leaf cutter ant lives in the Amazon rainforest. Answer B. Which of the following is correct? Their colonies are very big in size. Their colonies are small in size. Their colonies are not very deep. B and C are wrong. Answer A is correct. More than 3 million ants, about 3 million ants, about 2 million ants live in these colonies. Answer C, of course, wrong. So here, reaching 3 million. Million 3කට ළඟා වෙනවා කියන්නේ ඊට එහා යනවා කියන එක නෙමෙයි. So we cannot say more than කියන්නේ ඉක්මවා ගිහිලා මිලියන 3කට වඩා වැඩි. Reach කියන්නේ මිලියන 3කට ළඟා වෙනවා. ආසන්න වශයෙන්. So the answer B is correct. Answer B. Right, let's go to question number 4. Leaf cutter ants live on. ඒගොල්ලෝ ජීවත් වෙන්නේ මොනවා මතද? What is the meaning? මොනවෙන්ද යටෙන්නේ? Live on. මේ කියන්නේ කොළ උඩ ජීවත් වෙන උඩ කියන එක නෙමෙයි right මොනවා මතද යැපෙන්නේ leaf cutter ants live on leaves fungi vegetables the answer is very clear it's fungi answer B answer B the word gigantic in line 3 means very small deep very large answer C okay test 9 oh recitation recitation means gayana kavi gayana you know in english recitation it's not like sinhala recitation wala api onna male oy namala mekwa taalata kiyana dannawane but when we recite an english poem it's not like that wait like we sing how we read a nisandas in Sinhala like that way we read English poems recitation means kavi gayana api Sinhalen nisandasak kiyanawa wage thamai English poem ekak kiyanne right it's not the rhythm of the Sinhala song or the poem Sinhala kaviyaka rhythm එක English poem එකක නැහැ usually we follow rhyming words recitation means kavi gayana okay test 9 the grammar question fill in the blanks in each sentence by using the correct form of the word given within brackets there are many modern sources of information in the world today sources of information right some public places are very to use pleasant unpleasant very unpleasant very කියන වචනෙත් එක්ක ඔයා ගන්න ඕනේ adjective එකක් very beautiful very clean very neat very intelligent right so you have to take an adjective දැන් අපි දීලා තියෙන්නේ adjective එක pleasant ප්‍රසන්න දැන් මේ adjective එකම වෙනස් කරගන්නේ කොහොමද un pleasant unpleasant right word class එක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ ඔයාලට මෙතෙන්ට noun එකක් ගන්න බෑ ඔයා ගන්න ඕනේ adjective එකක්මයි very කියන එකත් එක්ක යන්නේ adjective එකක්මයි so we go to the opposite opposite එකේදී word class එක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ meaning එක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ my brother was ill yesterday කොහොම අසනීපයක්ද ill yesterday was ill seriously we want the adverb කොහොමද අසනීප seriously බොහොම දැඩි ලෙස seriously Okay. Water rafting is an adventurous outdoor activity. Adventurous. Dexter solved all the sums correctly. කොහොමද correctly? Test 10. Complete the sentences using one of the phrases given in the box. They visited different places in the country. Polythene is harmful to all living things. To all living things. My grandfather's house was built in the late 19th century. In the late 19th century. I saw an uncommon butterfly on the way to school. On the way to school. The teacher divided the class into 6 groups. Once upon a time, there lived 3 sisters. Correct. Okay. Test 11, reported speech. The teacher asked the pupils about their monthly magazine. Write what they said in reported speech. So it's very simple. Write what they said. Write what they said. It's past tense. So you have to change the verb. Okay. I'm erasing the board. Murali said that he would take some photographs for the magazine. Nisma said that she would write an article. She would write an article about the ancient kings. Lakshita said that he could draw the cover picture. Nitya said that, Nitya asked, it's a tag question. Nitya asked whether she, no, plural, no, whether they had to find information on historical places. Full stop, don't put the question mark again. Nitya said that, Nitya asked whether They had to find information on historical places, full stop. Teacher said that they had to finish that by the end of that month. Remember, in the reported speech question, if you have a wrong in one place, like this one, මෙතන that එක වැරදි නම් no marks. මේ that එක වැරදි නම් no marks. Had to and the original verb දාලා නැත්තම් no marks. එක පොඩි වැරද්දක් කියන්නේ no marks for that question, right? No half marks. Okay. I think I can erase the board, right? දැන් නම් කියන්න එපා reported speech එක අමාරුයි පැටලිලා this and that. You all must have correct answers for this question. This one is a direct question, right? කෙලින්ම උත්තර දාන්න තියෙන්නේ. Not like filling the blanks. Number 3 I did not do. Oh, Damsara, Lakshita. Number 3 skip. Nisma said that she would write an article about the ancient kings. Damsara said that he could draw the cover page. Lakshita said that, yes. Lakshita said that, thank you. Lakshita said that he would start, it's important, he would start typing the article, articles the following day. Okay. The Scarecrow. There is a poem. See, I am not very good at recitation. Okay. But let's try. Test 12. Read the following poem and answer the questions given below it. The Scarecrow. Number 8, right? The Scarecrow. I feel sorry for him, don't you? Standing there in the sun and the rain. He always has a look of pain. What does he think about? I don't know. Do you? I watched a farmer set him up with broom and rags and bits of straw. A scarecrow's clothes are never nice. His face is ugly, and that is why the birds all fly from his fields of rice. But standing there in the sun and the rain, with ragged clothes and his look of pain, he really is the farmer's friend, saving his rice from greedy birds and hungry mice. So in English, we recite poems like that. Okay. I think you don't have any difficult words there. I feel sorry for him. Sorry, Kanagatui. Standing there in the sun and the rain, he always has a look of pain. බොහොම වේදනාත්මක බැල්මක් තියෙන්නේ. Right. What does he think about? I don't know. Do you know? I watched the farmer set him up. Set කරනවා යාව හදනවා මම දැක්ක farmer කෙනෙක්. With broom and rags. Right, the meaning rags වැරහැලි. RAGS rags වැරහැලි and bits of straw. පිදුරු ටිකක්. Right, bits of paper කියන්නේ කැඩුණු කැඩුණු කොළ කෑලි වගේ. Bits of straw means පිදුරු. Scarecrow's clothes are never nice. ඒවා ලස්සන නෑ. His face is ugly. And that is why the birds all fly. ඒකයි කුරුල්ල පියාඹලා යන්නේ. From his fields of rice. But standing there in the sun and rain with ragged clothes and his look of pain, he really is the farmer's friend. Right? From greedy birds and hungry mice. කෑදර කුරුල්ලන්ගෙනුයි බඩගිනි මීයන්ගෙනුයි farmerගේ rice බේරගන්න කෙනෙක්. Nice poem, right? Questions? Do you have any lesson from that poem? Do you have any lesson? I got a lesson. Sometimes we have friends not very beautiful, not very intelligent, not very rich, not very famous, not very attractive, not very social. Sometimes we have a negative friends, poor, ugly, black skin, inward, social means samajashili, inward means වැඩිය කතා බහ නොකරන, fat, lot of negative sides. But they can be really good friends, really helpful. Their inside is very beautiful, right? They are very helpful. So that is a good lesson for us. Don't value your friends from the outward appearance, right? Why does the poet feel sorry for the scarecrow? Where? Because Because he is standing there in the sun and the rain. Because he is standing there in the sun and the rain. Don't write the answer. A look of pain, Vedanatmaka Balma. That is not the answer. Of course, it is an answer indirect. එයාට වේදනාත්මක බැල්මාවේ කොතනින්ද මේ හිතගෙන ඉන්න නිසායි. Right? So if you write a look of pain, it is indirect answer, not the direct answer. You have to write the direct answer. කෙලින්ම උත්තරේ තමයි ලියන්න ඕන, right? වක්‍ර උත්තර නෙමෙයි. This is the direct reason, ඍජු හේතුව. Because he is standing there in the sun and the rain. In the sun and the rain. Write two things which the farmer used to set up. Broom, rags. Only write two. Broom, rags, and cloths also there. Only write two. Straw. Straw. How does he serve the farmer? කොහොමද එයා farmerට serve කරන්නේ? Saving his rice by how කොහොමද? By saving his rice from greedy birds and hungry mice. Greedy birds and hungry mice. Write the line which says that the scarecrow wears old and torn garments. You have to write two lines. A scarecrow's clothes are never nice. Are never nice. Underline the correct answer. The birds fly away as they are afraid of clothes, face, farmer, mice. Face. Answer B. His face is ugly, and that is why the birds all fly. Do you have any questions about the poem? Test 13. Actually, I gave you all the difficult words for dictation maybe months before. But if you have remembered them, then it is easy. The Great Adventure. The answer. Check your answers. No. Sulaksha, can you read the answers in your book, Sulaksha? Read the answers, not what you write. The answers in the question paper, read.
Marching.
No, dear. No, not your order. Read the answers in the question order. Lorries.
Marching. For fun, sound, sugar, days, and the eat, right, drums, 200. Eat, right, drums, 200.
Okay, right. That's good. there is a little problem in my book. එක තැනක දාලා at පහලට ගෙනල්ලා තියෙනවා ඊද at ද කියලා හිතා ගන්න බැරි වුණා මම මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ කරද්දි. I think that problem is not there in your book. The answers: lorries, marching, for, fun, sound, sugar, days, and the, eat, write, drums, 200. Okay. Okay, now we can fill. Then no problem in your book. The Great Adventure. A troop of Boy Scouts were down the road. Was, were, and verb by ing, past continuous marching. March means gamane yanama, right? Left, right. Gamane yama. Marching down the road. Left, right. They kept in perfect step. The bugles blare, bugle nalawa, right? Bugles blared and the drums beat. Bugle nalawa vayanava, drum vayanava, and the drums beat. A flag was carried along the carried along full stop. Brownie lads. 100. Full stop is there. 100 brownie lads. Brownie, BRAWNY. I gave you the word. Bohoma Shakti Sampanna, right? Lad means kollo. Lad and lass. Kolla, kella. Right? You all in your age, 13, 14, 15, 16, we call lad and lass. Gatavara, right? In Sinhala we say gatavara yo. Lad and lass. 100 brownie lads hauled that big trek cart. Trek cart kyane gamang walata aragena yana atkaratta wageva, right? Was laden, bara vela tibuna, was laden with goods for the camp. Goods for the camp. There were things to eat, things to drink, things to wear, and things to use. A great mixture of this one. Imagine a great mixture of them. Trek cart a great mixture of flour, palm piti, lemonade, pails, bucket, hats, tea, sugar, ginger beer, falls, and water. See the items. Right? All these were separate, of course. Last time they arrange separate, of course. It would have been fun if they had suddenly got mixed up together. Mix up. At the end of the road, three lorries were waiting. 3 lorries were waiting. The joyful lads piled aboard, and to the sound of singing, formed half a day. Singing form half a day. A singular, no. A day, no. S එකක් තියෙනවා. Half a singular word. Number 12, keep half a young voices. The convoy started. Convoy ගමන මන් දුන්නානේ එක. The great adventure had begun. There were 14 days ahead. 14 days ahead, glorious days of fun and frolic. Satuta Vinodaya. Now what is there? Lorry is marching 4. මේ ළමයි 100ක් කරත්තේ ඇදගෙන යනවා නෙමෙයි. 4. Sorry. 4 brawny lads hold the big trek cart. Right. ළමයි 4 දෙනෙක් ඇදගෙන ගියේ. දැන් මෙතන මොකද වෙන්නේ? And to the sound of singing form half a hundred. Right. Okay. Young voices, the convoy started. ළමයි 50කගේ sound එකෙන් singing sound එකත් එක්ක ගමන පටන් ගත්තා. Okay, let's check test 14. Recently, you went on an educational trip to Anuradhapura. Write a letter to one of your friends describing it. Very simple. Anuradhapura trip. The following bar graph shows the favorite outdoor activities of the students of your school. The information is given in percentages. Study the bar graph and write a description about it. Right. Okay, let's go to test 15. Four answer for yes, Sulaksha. Thank you. Right. Test 15. Early every morning, a shepherd took his flock of sheep out in the fields to graze. Graze means eat grass, right? Tanakola kanam. He would sit by watching as the sheep lazily munched on fresh grass. After they had eaten, he would take them back home. Sometimes while watching his flock, he would curl up. Curl means karali gahenama, guli venama. He would curl up in a quiet corner and go off to sleep. One day the shepherd saw a wolf which had strayed into the field. Stray means nidalle sarisaranama. However, it made no effort to come nearer. The shepherd at first stood on guard against the wolf. Isellama guard එක දාගෙන ඉන්නවා, right? As against an enemy, හතුරෙක්ට වගේ. And kept a strict watch. බොහොම දැඩිව නිරීක්ෂණය කරනවා. A strict watch over its movements. Wolf එහෙ මෙහෙ යනවාද කියලා බොහොම දැඩිව බලනවා. But the wolf did not do anything. When the shepherd herded එක කියන්නේ රංචුවනේ. Herded කියලා අපි verb එක ගන්න රංචුව එකතු කරනවා. Herded the sheep and headed home. Head කියන්නේ දිශාවට යනවා, right? ගෙදර එනවා. Headed home with his flock. Flock එක රංචුව, right? The wolf quietly followed them at a distance. Wolf දුර ඉඳලා follow කරනවා. පිටිපස්සෙන් එනවා දුර ඉඳලා. This continued for a while. ටික කාලයක් continue වුණා. The shepherd would find the wolf waiting at the edge of the field. Edge means කෙළවර. Field එකේ කෙරවලේ waiting වෙනවා wolf every morning. But it made not the slightest effort. Slight means mother. ටිකක්වත් චුට්ටක්වත් effort එකක් උත්සාහයක් ගත්තේ නැහැ to seize the sheep. Seize means ග්‍රහණය කරගන්නවා, හසු කරගන්න. Seize the sheep and would just watch. Just watch. නිකම්ම බලන් ඉන්න. Give me a second. I will disconnect you. Join again. Okay, let's see now. Just watch. Nikam balagen in wolf, right? So, by by and by, tick and ticker, the shepherd let down his guard a bit. Guard deka tikak adu kara. Let down means ida denava, right? Burul karano. A few days later, he began to actually look forward to the wolf's presence. Look forward. ඇත්තටම කියනවා නම් මග බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා දැන්. Look forward. Wolf के presence එක wolf එනවාද කියලා දැන් මග බලන් ඉන්නවා මෙයා. The wolf, who generally සාමාන්‍යයෙන් sat on a large piece of rock, looked like a big shepherd dog from afar. I think you understand. දුර ඉඳන් බලනකොට මෙයා හරියට sheep dog කෙනෙක් වගේ. අර බැටළුව බලා ගන්න type එකේ dogs ලා ඉන්නේ, right? දුර ඉඳන් බලනකොට wolf පේන්නේ ඒ වගේ. The shepherd thought that other wild animals or mischief makers, mischief means දඟකාර, දඟ වැඩ කරන අය, would be scared of the dog's presence. දැන් මෙතන dog කියලා කියන්නේ කාටද අරෂ්? wolfට. දැන් ලොකු බල්ලෙක් ඉන්න හින්දා අනිත් animals ලා එහෙම නැත්නම් දඟ වැඩ කරන අය not harm his flock while it was around. එයා ඉන්නකොට මෙතන wolf ඉන්නකොට අනිත් අය කරදර කරන්න ගන්නෑ කියලා දැන් shepherd හිතනවා. Now he began to look upon එයා මත යැපෙනවා. Look upon the wolf as a guardian of his flock. Guardian means රැකවලා. අපි සමහර වෙලාවට ඔයගේ parents book එකේ PTC book එකේ ගුරු දෙගුරු පොතේ දැකලා ඇති mother, father or guardian. මව, පියා හෝ භාරකරු. Right? There are some students, they do not have father or mother. A grandmother or some relative can be the guardian. භාරකරු. දැන් මෙයා the shepherd හිතාගෙන ඉන්නවා මේ wolf එයාගේ guardian කියලා, භාරකරු. One day in the middle of grazing his sheep, Then sheep තනකොළ කන අතරමැද the shepherd was called back to home urgently. වහාම එන්න කිව්වා ගෙදරට. Leaving the sheep entirely in charge of the wolf, he left. sheep ලගේ entirely in charge. In charge කියන්නේ බාරව සිටිනවනේ. සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම wolf ට බාර දීලා. Entire means සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම. සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම wolf ට බාර දීලා he left. එයා ගියා. Now the story is not very nice. When he came back, what did he find? That the wolf had eaten most of his flock. Carcass means malamini. Carcasses of the dead sheep lay around everywhere. The sheep sat down in shock. After witnessing, witness means sakshi daranawa, as in dakinawa. After witnessing the slaughter, see the sound, slaughter means ghatanaya. The shepherd sat down in shock after witnessing the slaughter. Serves me right. Mata una de hari. Serves me right. Serve කියන්නේ සේවය කරනවා යම් කිසි දෙයක් වෙනවා නේ right? Serves me right. මට වෙච්ච දේ හරි. He mourned to himself. Mourn වැළපෙනවා. He mourned to himself. After all, I entrusted. Trust විශ්වාසය. Entrust විශ්වාසයෙන් බාර දෙනවා. I entrusted the welfare, Subhashadanaya, the welfare of my flock to a wolf. Mama වෘකයෙක්ටනේ මගේ රංචුව බාර දුන්නේ, right? So what is the lesson? Do you have any moral in this story? Sometimes some bad people, we know that they are bad, seems to be good. Bad අය seem, පෙනෙන්න එනවා good වගේ. But you don't trust them. Their bad behavior is inside. It's just an acting. Right? It's just an acting. They have inner thoughts. Inner thoughts. ඇතුලේ හංගගත්ත සිතිවිලි තියෙනවා. So if someone is bad means bad. You don't trust them. Not for any reason. Right? ඔයා නරකයි කියලා කෙනෙක්ව දන්නවා නම් ආපහු කිසිම දෙයකට කිසිම හේතුවකට විශ්වාස කරන්න යන්න එපා. That is the lesson. Okay. True, false. Now you all are hiding inside the home, not going anywhere, right? You all are very safe in your home, under the wings of your parents, right? Then ammage තාත්තගේ පිහාඩු දෙක අස්සට වෙලා හැංගිලා ඉන්නවා. But one day when you come out to the society, it's really dangerous, right? We cannot imagine, we cannot trust anyone, right? So please stay inside your little home under your parents' wings as much as possible, right? ඔය අත්තටු දෙක අස්සට වෙලා හැංගිලා ඉන්න ඔයාට පුළුවන් තරම් මේ සමාජයට එන්න නැතුව. ඔතන ඉන්නකම් ඔයා safe. ඔතනින් එළියට ආවට පස්සේ ඔයාට ඔය safety නෑ, right? ඔතනම හැංගිලා පුළුවන් තරම් ඔයා ගොඩාක් mature වෙනකම්, ගොඩාක් පරිණත වෙනකම් ඔතනම හැංගිලා ඉන්න. Don't come to the society. Right. Let's go to test 15. The shepherd took his sheep to the fields for the sheep to have food. Yes. The wolf came into the field to protect the sheep. Of course not. The sheep were very friendly with the wolf. No. Sheep la කිසිම ගනුදෙනුවක් තිබ්බේ නෑ wolf එක්ක, right? The sheep were very friendly with the wolf. No. The wolf killed the sheep when the shepherd went home. Yes. What did the shepherd do while the sheep were eating grass? He just watched. It would just watch. Just කියන්නේ නිකම්ම. He would just watch. නිකම් බලන් ඉන්නවා. Just watch. What did the shepherd think about the wolf? Very nice answer we have. As a guardian. As a guardian. රැකවලෙක් බාරකාරයෙක් විදියට හිතුවේ. Why did the shepherd go home suddenly? ඒක තමයි නරකම සිදුවීම, right? He was called back to home urgently. එයාට ගෙදරින් කතා කළානේ. He was called back to home urgently. Urgent hadisi. Urgently hadisiyem. Write the sentence which says that the shepherd felt that he had done a foolish thing. Write the sentence. Serves me right, he mourned to himself. Yeah, වැළපෙනවා, right? Serves me right, he mourned to himself. He mourned to himself. Protector, guardian. Frightened, බය වෙනවා. බය වෙනවා. Scare. Scared. It's them. Its movements, wolves. You should write apostrophe S. It's කියන්නේ උගේ. Right? It's කියන්නේ උගේ. So you have to write වෘකයා ගේ. Wolves. And followed them at a distance, sheep. Sheep singular and plural similar. Sheep. Okay. Next week. For next week, you can mark 2016 calendar year paper. Mark 2016 calendar year paper. Do you have any questions about this paper? Any clarification that your answer is correct or not? 2016 calendar year homework. Dictation Dictation, take your writing book and check dictation. Beam, beam, Kadambaya, beam, culprit, cruise ship, verify, anomaly, hurricane, ideal, brainstorm, evaluate, objective, aptitude test, cinch. Right. 12 words are there. Mark them all for dictation. Next week 6, right? 12 words are there. 12 words are left. Mark them all for dictation. Now we are going to mark Alexander the Great activity. Children, please go back to your past paper book. Please go back to your past paper book. Calendar paper. Calendar paper, go back. Udari, can you read question number 3, paragraph, Udari? With the blank. When the blank comes, you say blank. Question number 3, read. All the others follow. Put your finger to the paragraph and follow. Can you read, Udari?
Okay, teacher.
Others follow. Put your finger to the paragraph. Right, read.
This is a picture of a school. There are 3
Blank.
and blank boys in this picture. There is a big blank under which all the blank are sitting. A girl is painting a blank while another blank is reading a blank. She is sitting on blank. One girl and 2 boys are building a blank. There is a range of blank in this picture.
Okay. I think your book again correct. Because my book, the last sentence, there is a range of no blank there. So when I was doing this paper, I was really confused. Range of what? No blank. I think all of you have, all of you don't have that problem. Count and check if you all have 10 blanks. Are all your books correct? Are there 10 blanks? Anyone 9 blanks? Old books like mine? No, right? All are new books. There should be 10 blanks. And again, children, test 13. Go to test 13. Ravisha, can you read the answer list?
Collecting, walking, post office, problem, them, with, get, has, he, and overseas, time, has, happy.
Happy, no dear. Happily. Change that one. Change that one. See, your book also have mistake. It's not happy. Happily. This one change. Happily. Test 13. Change, everyone. Happily. Okay, that's all. That's all. Right. Let's mark the Alexander activity. Can you see the screen? The birth year, you have to write the year only, 356 BC. Take red pen and put right marks. 356 BC. Mother, Queen Olympia. Queen Olympia. Father, King Philip II. King Philip II. Country ruled Persian Empire. Persian Empire, and as far as Punjab. Persian Empire and as far as Punjab. ඒ ටික දිගටම පාලනය කරගෙන ආවේ, right? As far as Punjab. Conquered area. Oh. No. The country ruled is it Macedonia? Yes, the king of Macedonia. Number, country ruled King Macedonia. Okay, country ruled Macedonia, conquered area, Persian Empire, and as far as Punjab. Okay, death 323 BC. 3 wishes. I am not going to write that. 3 wishes you write. I will depart from my first desire. You have to write in inverted comma. My physicians. My physicians alone must carry my coffin. My physicians alone must carry my coffin. Second wish, I desire that when my coffin is being carried to the grave, the path leading to the graveyard be strewn with gold, silver, and precious stones, which I have collected in my treasury. Third and the last wish, both of my hands be kept dangling out of my coffin. Right? You have to write them within inverted comma. මේවා අපේ වාක්‍ය නෙමෙයිනේ, අපේ වචන නෙමෙයිනේ, පුටා ගැනීම. So you have to write them in inverted comma. Question number 2. Medical practitioner, physician. physician. A box in which the dead body is placed, buried or cremated. Place tabanava, bury valalanava, cremate, davanava. What is the word? උච්චනවට මොකද්ද කියන්නේ ලස්සන වචනයක්. Cremate davanava, right? Okay. So what is that box we said? Coffin. Coffin, mini pettiya. Hanging, dangling. Dangling, ella vatenava. A person who takes possessions of land by force. Conqueror. C-O-N-Q-U-E-R-O-R. Conqueror. බලෙන් ජයග්‍රහණය කරගන්න. Funds of the government, treasury. Treasury. A wise person who has specialized philosophy. Philosopher. Aristotle, right? The philosopher. Philosopher, Darshanikaya. Question number 3, no. Question number 4. Do you consider the King Alexander the Great as a great king? Why? There is a very good answer. Why he was a good one. Second paragraph, second line. All of you can check. Second paragraph, second line. Question number 4. First you write yes. Yes, because. Then you can copyright second paragraph, second line. Because his colossal victories were followed by. Colossal victories were followed by sympathetic understanding, administration, and won the loyalty of the defeated. That is the greatest thing. Right? නිකම්ම පාලනය අරගෙන ඒ මිනිසුන්ව යටත් කරගෙන යනව නෙමෙයි. පෙරදුන අයගේ විශ්වාසය දිනා ගන්නවා. Right? Won the loyalty of the defeated. සමහර ඉන්දියාවේ ප්‍රදේශවල රජතුමා ඇලෙක්සැන්ඩර් දිනාගෙන ඒ රජුරවන්ට මාපහු රට බාර දෙනවලු ඒ විදිහටම පාලනය කරන්න අපිට බදු ගෙවුවාම ඇති කියලා. Right? That's why he is considered as a great ruler. What is the lesson you learned from this great king? If we write a direct answer, chasing wealth. Sorry. Number 5, next question. Chasing wealth is useless. Chasing wealth, ධනය පසුපස හඹා යාම useless. ප්‍රයෝජනයක් නැති වැඩක්, right? Okay, so the answers are there. Question number 3. Sorry, question number 2. What is the lesson you learned from this great king? Hansika, what did you write? Did you learn any lesson from this king? Hansika did not write anything. Ravisha?
We come to this world empty-handed and we leave this world empty-handed. Therefore, it's a waste of time to chase wealth.
So that is your lesson. Very good, very good. Very good, Ravisha. That is the lesson you learned. ආවේ 37න් යන්නේ 37න් කියලා Ravisha නම් පාඩමක් ඉගෙන ගත්තා. Very good. Udari, did you learn any lessons?
People came empty-handed into this world and empty-handed people go out of this world.
Very good, very good. So you learned a lesson. Very good. Sulaksha?
We came to this world without nothing and we go out of this world without nothing.
There is a problem, Sulaksha. Without nothing. Without කියන්නේ negative word එකක්. Nothing කියන්නේ negative word එකක්. Now what happened? Two negatives become what?
With nothing.
That's right. With nothing or without anything. Right? You can write the both way. මොකද negative දෙකක් positive වෙනවානේ. So your answer is correct. With nothing or without anything. Right, good. This message is from Kavidi. Got the lesson all of not eternal. This one change Kavidi. Eternal word එක very good. කිසිම දෙයක් සදාකාලික නැහැ. Nothing is eternal. Very good. Nothing. කිසිම දෙයක් සදාකාලික, right? Nothing is eternal. Very good try. Tilan, you can chat if your microphone is not working. Niketa, did you learn any lesson?
We came empty-handed into this world and empty-handed we go out of this world.
Okay, very good. Good lesson for you. Satini?
What we earn things, we can't carry them when we die.
Of course, of course. So don't collect lot of school bags, shoes, hair bands. Those are the things girls collect. No, we cannot take them. Right, very good, Satini. Good answer. Pasindu? Pasindu, if your microphone is not working, you can chat. Right, very good. Now come to your pupils book. Page number 82. Page number 82. Did you write all the answers? Can I stop sharing? Okay. Right. Activity 10, act out. Act out the following conversation, paying special attention to highlighted phrases and punctuation marks. Next one, activity 11, you have right answers. It's actually speaking. Okay, here Tilan's lesson. Everybody came empty-handed into this world and empty-handed we go out of this world. Good lesson, Tilan. Very good. Right. Page number 82. Hey, Kavindu, why are you in a bad mood? Today I have to do everything all by myself. Why is that? Both my mother and father left home early in the morning. Wait, today is Sunday. Do they go to work during the weekend too? No, they had to go to see my grandfather. What's wrong with him? He's had a fall. It happened last night. Oh, I'm sorry. I have to take care of everything at home. Don't worry, my friend. We'll help you. There will be some visitors too. So we'll get together and arrange something for them. Yes, give me 5 minutes. I'll make tea for you. No thanks. We've just had some tea. Let's prepare something for the visitors. Okay. So questions. Why was Kavindu in a bad mood? Because anyone? Don't take much time. Quickly answer. If you don't answer, I ask you to write in the writing book. If you answer, then no writing. Hurry up.
He has to do everything all by himself.
Very good, Sulaksha. Next one, someone else answer, not Sulaksha, everything. Who visited him? Who visited him? Yes, Satini? Satini, I did not hear you. Manjita and? Yes, two friends. His two friends, Manjita and Riyas, right? What happened to Kavindu's grandfather? Hurry up, hurry up. Niketa not answering. Yes, he has had the fall. Has had means vetila tiyanava, right? He has had the fall. Siya vetila tiyana. He has had the fall. Present perfect tense. Right. Question number 4. Two questions are there. Did Kavindu prepare tea for his friends? Yes or no? Then why? No, the answer is no. Why? Why didn't he make tea? Because they have had some tea. Very good, Tilan. Very good grammar. Egolo te bila tiyanama. They have had some tea. Right? Egolo te bila villa tiyan. Very good. Last question. What were they going to do next? They were going to Hasindu? Prepare something for the what? Tilan? Visitors, right? Okay, very good then. Right, activity 12, the grammar lesson next. Let's do next week, right? Activity 12 grammar lesson. That's enough for today, maybe. right? Okay. So you have calendar paper and dictation, 12 words. Okay, then that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining the online class. Goodbye, good night.
Goodbye. Good night, teacher.
Bye.
Goodbye, teacher.